So I want to ask you guys a question. In terms of riding, are you more of a solo rider? You like to ride by yourself, lone wolf style? Or do you like to ride with a group? And if you like to ride with a group, do you mind riding with large groups? For me, most of my riding is done solo, but I have a few good friends that I like to ride with that I trust. Maybe about 3 or 4 of them. And I am good to go with riding with my buddies, and I'm sure you guys seen my videos as I'm riding with these folks. Awesome group of people. Great people to ride with. But in terms of riding with large groups of people, I tried that a few times. I signed up for a meetup ride. This is maybe a couple years ago. And man, I tell you what, that just made me thoroughly uncomfortable. Number one, some of those guys and girls could not ride for anything. I'm not saying that I'm Valentino Rossi or anybody, but these folks were dangerous. Number two, larger groups aren't as fun as smaller, to me anyway, as smaller, more, I don't know, chilled out groups. And I think the 4 or 5, at the most 6 people at one time is probably a good number to ride with. But when you get over 10, 15, 20, man, it becomes more of a gaggle. It becomes more of a distraction than anything. So yeah, I'm just answering a question that one of my viewers had. He's a new rider and wanted to give my opinion on riding with groups, small groups, larger groups, or riding solo. Like I said, I don't mind riding solo. Most of my trips I ride solo, but I do enjoy riding in small groups, but not large groups, not at all. That's just me though. So tell me what you think. Are you a solo rider? Do you prefer smaller groups, or are you okay with large groups? All right, folks. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you later. Peace.